shit. What happened? Imagine being an adult woman and this is your master project. Yeah, just for a bit of added context, I was going to call it the Corkacabana from the start, but then halfway through I started trying to sing Corkacabana to the song, and I decided that I like singing the word copa, so I decided to momentarily change it to the Corkacabana, which is what I painted on first, and then had nightmares about how much I hated it, and I wanted it to be called the Corkacabana, so I ended up having to paint over this. So it was briefly called the Corkacabana, which was a weird decision on my part. said I was mad for collecting these. They said I was mad and I would never have a use for them. But now, I have a use for them. It's 1 AM, my phone's about to die, but I just started laughing because I've put Corky in and it just made me realise that I felt all this for Cork. Look at him. He's tending bar. and this little starry background. It's made it so much better. And I've got this light, which I put behind the starry sky. It's really bright, so it makes it look like the stars are glowing. So now it looks so cool. I'm gonna have to wait until it's dark tonight because I've got light coming in through the window. I want to see what it's like proper like nighttime, but it looks amazing. I just have to rotate this so that I get the stars all around. It's so good. The sky was like the bit that you have to keep ignoring because you have to ignore the fact that there's just like almost stupid stuff behind it, but now you can be really properly immersed in it. The only thing you have to ignore is the handles on the top and the fact that it splits open. Can't tell from this side though, or the front, in fact. Cool. I need to do something on the back of this bit of thing. I already glued it down. I just put some stuff on it. Oh, I don't think I ever did the smashing transition. Hang on, I'll do it in a sec. Yeah, what can I say? It all got a bit out of hand. I may have just destroyed original Lola. Hopefully I can salvage this. I've given them arms. I've also made this guy. He can hold stuff. Wait, look. Trombone. Oh dear. I think I'm gonna have to salvage her. I've given her a yellow feather and she can hold a drink now. I just need to redo her face real good. It was a bit low down, I think, before. And I made her hair kind of cool. I'm sort of basing her off of Pulp Fiction, but Lola. It's very late at night. I don't know if you can tell. Can you tell? She's in her little dressing room. She just needs a mouth. She's drinking. She's looking in her mirror. Existential crisis, Lola. I'm keeping Corky quite true to himself. He's taken his blue hat off because it's not very professional, and I've just like painted over his writings a bit, but that's still the notch from where he was shot, and his faces I just painted over exactly how it was because it was perfect. It's all squashed up there, and he's gonna get like a little black, I'm just gonna paint like a little tuxedo onto him, like a little black bow tie sort of thing. Lola I'm so happy with now. I mean corkola. She's got a little necklace, she's got a little feather thingy, a little they're a good couple now. Will be when he's got his little suit on, he's gonna look amazing, but my paint pens have gone a bit smushed up. Work in progress Corky. I've just made him a shirt out of A4 paper. Soon comes his bow tie, little apron thing, and not sure about his head, maybe we'll just leave it like bare cork. Or give him a bit of hair, I don't know. Blue hat potentially could return, but I don't think it's professional. It's his sort of iconic hat, but for no real reason. He looks too not like he works at the Corkacabana. This is Corky's final form, I've decided, so I'm gluing this to his person. It really do be feeling like my life has been leading up to this moment. But it also is like 3 AM, so I'm not necessarily a fair judge of that. This is like an intensely handsome couple. Look at that. It's kind of sick. Corky's holding a corkscrew. But how good is that as a couple? Little bartender and little show girl. I think that's perfect. I would draw more detail onto his little shirt thing, but I know it'll just ruin it, so I'm going to leave it like that. He's got little sleeves, he's got a little apron. I could print out a tiny Corkacabana logo and stick it to the front of him maybe, but probably do that tomorrow. I don't know about leaving his head just bare. I feel like that's good because it shows he's a cork still. He's cute with a little bare head. This guy, the first guy I made, kind of looks weird now because his head's so low. I guess he's just shorter. I'll keep them more like this, all squashed up heads at the top. I think it looks better. No offense, trumpet guy. This is so good. Before, when I put them in here, they kind of killed the vibe, but now they actually totally fit with it. They look perfect in their like spots. Before it was like I just dumped a random cork and they were just stood in the way and it didn't look cool, and this looks so right. He just needs like a little stool so that you can see him over this bar. He needs a little height stool up here to stand on. I love that so much. Corko in progress. Got a bit of a Hitler do going on. They bring it to life so much. I think I might be having a nervous breakdown. I just go to bed, it's like 7 a.m. Yeah. My marionette is visiting! She's meeting Lola! Corkola! I'm getting drunk! Corky's feeding me drinks. I'm drinking with corkola. Corky's serving us. Corko's up there.